National Fisheries Development Board NFDB kala pentip ba kandon ke jengi kendo lang jong kinong ridok ha ke ba arsni ha Guwahati ha ke khat ar bat khat lai trik jeleu ar hajar ar pun reu na ke than chete lamingi ke India ya kene ke jengi kendo ai ke tengkum ke Aquex North East ar hajar ar pun reu ha bakran ha kilat pathai kubor menta ke sia Shillong Press Club Rajneesh Kumar unang khot ya ka NFDB ulang ba ke jelam Meghalaya kampat la ban pendap dok ha na la dia kadang apan thian na kiwe ke jela na Andhra Pradesh bat Assam Long ba kibreu hakani kathan chate lamingi keri India ki ngotenat ban bam ya ki dok kha ki badang im bat komba kalong menta ki jilla ka ne kathan nyopo persen ke dok kha ki thiet na ka jilla Assam bat jilla Meghalaya ru kumju long ba ka jing e jong ki nong ri dok kha hakani kathan kalong ba ka dor jing ba man saya ki dok kha ka rem bha ban yanu jor bat ka jilla Andhra Pradesh ka jing long ka sun bidang ru ka ya bha ban ri dok kha ha ka te ka jilla ka jing ya kendo ka ba arsi ha Guwahati kan long ka jing kerkhu ya ki pat ba kani kathan chate lamingi jong keri India lamar ha kani ke jing ya kendo an sa pensyai pat ba kumno bala ban yo ya ki jing bam dok kha ki wan hi na kamariang da ka ba pendan kam ya ka masi
of Aquex India. In the June month, we are organizing one international expo in Guwahati for the 2 days for our farmers of Assam and Northeast states. First of all, we need to think why that expo required, because our country population is growing day by day, and our country is not right now not food deficit. It's a protein deficit. So fish is the cheapest source of protein. So that's why we required. So that's why we required to empower our farmers as well as our industry partners. To this expo, we are inviting more than 50 exhibitors in Guwahati for 2 days, as well as the ICR scientists and progressive farmers from each state of the Assam and Northeast states, as well as the progressive farmer and entrepreneurs. So during the expo, we are organizing the seminars in which farmers can learn the new technologies, IoT, AI-driven systems, how you can increase the production, how you can improve your productivity that directly impact to the protein to the states as well as the employment as well as the water recharging. So these are the main agendas of our expo, and we are focusing on pre-harvest, harvest as well as the post-harvest. In the pre-harvest, the farmers of the Assam Northeast states are lagging if we can compare with the national level farmers. So we need to educate them as well as to provide the good quality seed, feed, medicines, irrigation technologies so that directly impact on the production part. During the harvest part, so from where the farmers can buy the nets, which directly impact on enhancing the production. And on the post-harvest part, what is the cold chain, how you can process your fish, what are the value additions. So end-to-end solutions during this expo for the 2 days. And Guwahati selected main reason, there is a very connectivity from all states, and the major part of the Assam Northeast state production comes from the Assam only. Tentative 5 lakh ton annually production of Assam Northeast states, out of which 65% from the Assam only. So we are here in the Meghalaya Shillong, and we are inviting via your channels, your print medias, your YouTube channels, all the progressive farmers, they can come at the Guwahati and they can learn more and more and implement their farm. Because the farmer community is like, if you can't go to the ICR institutes, that is Indian Council Agriculture Research Institutes, but farmer can learn from farmer only. So, and because we are, NFDB is the co-organizing partner, so there are a number of government schemes which are running across the country for the upliftment of the farmers, providing the subsidies in huge volume till 40 to 60%. There are one project entrepreneur model, one is the Fishery Infra Development Fund. So number of schemes are running. Farmers don't know where they can apply, how they can benefit it, and how they can improve their livelihood. Because here I saw in the Assam Northeast, the average production per hectare is hardly 2 tons per hectare. And our India average, as per the government, that is 5.5 ton per hectare. And if we can compare with the progressive farmer and entrepreneurs, from the same piece of land, same water volume, they are producing 10 ton per hectare. So you can check the scale. As of now, our country is the protein deficit, as I said, but there are tentative 8 million metric ton deficit in the demand and supply. So downline to 10-20 years, huge pathway runway available for the fish farmers for the upliftment. And this industry is growing average 10% every year from past 1 decade. In last 1 decade, the government emphasis on more majorly 2 schemes. One is the Blue Revolution, one is the PMSY. So both contributes tentative 25,000 crore investment. And by in coming 5 years, more 30,000 crore going to invest government, state government, central government, NFDB and the farmers to uplift that society and for the farmers.